For today's friendly know-how, ituturo ko kung paano mag-unsubscribe sa SPayLater auto repayment. In this channel pala, I'm creating videos about helpful tips and basic how-tos. Help me promote my channel by liking and subscribing. I-open nyo lang ang Shopee app nyo and then click on Me. Click on SPayLater. Click on Settings sa taas. And then click Subscribe. Then hit unsubscribe and confirm. And there you go. With these easy steps, you were able to unsubscribe to SPayLater auto repayment. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.